So welcome to the studio.
Welcome to the studio.
Right, so this is our new studio.
Yep.
Okay. Our next job, Julian, we're going to hang these plants up because they keep falling off every time we drive, or we have to take them down. And it would look nice if they had a permanent place in the van.
Don't worry, I'll put health for safety.
Hey?
Health for safety?
I want to keep them in the van.
How about health for safety?
We're going to make a bracket for them.
Really?
Yeah, next week, in the next video, we're going to make a bracket for them so that they can go in there permanently.
Oh yeah.
I want to use these ridges. So that's the plant. The tin itself is a little bit smaller than the plant. So if I find just something a bit wider, that would be perfect. Well, I think that's perfect. So we use that diameter. We're going to bend our cable around that. We will need a coat hanger. Let me cut this bit off. Right, need to straighten it all out. Just bend that around there.
What are you doing?
Making a bracket.
No, Dad, don't do it.
Why?
Mum's gonna break the
I'm not going to break anything, it's plastic. What about Mum?
If you break it, black plastic, what did you do?
I have to buy a new one, but this won't break it, Julian. It's only a coat hanger.
Okay.
Cool. That's perfect. Okay. It's only rough anyway. Actually. Let's try that. We tidy that up a bit later. And now what I want to do is bend that 90 degrees down. Okay, Julian. Well, that's better. Cool. I'm getting there.
Oh, yeah.
Let's straighten this one out. Okay, that's not going to work. That goes down there. Let me have a little think, Julian.
Oh yeah. Well, that was a new. What do you think?
That's the idea. That's what I'm trying to do. Yes, exactly that. Yeah. So if we say, for example, it's not tall, is it, the flower pot? So if we go back 90.
Oh, can I try?
Sure, let me just mark it for you. Just there. Nice. That's going to have to be the front. And then at the wall, it bends down again. Like that. It's almost there, isn't it? Okay. We are getting there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
And then what we do, we want to cut that part off. Where are the pliers? The blue ones.
Oh yeah. I'll do it.
Okay, that'll show you just there, look.
Yeah.
Can I close them up?
Sure.
Squeeze. On your fingers, won't you?
Sure. I'll try.
Cool. Another one just there.
Like this?
Yep. Okay. Okay, that works. So now it goes in there, Julian.
Oh yeah.
Is that too high? I think it is. We need to lower it to there, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Okay, no problem. Right, let's redo it.
Oh yeah.
Should we try it again?
Sure.
Pop it in there and see if it works.
Okay, here goes. I think it's perfect.
Still a bit tall, isn't it? Still a bit tall. Okay, I think we live with that. Have you washed the can?
I did.
Well, don't you take the label off then? Well, it's dry inside too. So, we want part of that, Julian.
Sure.
We need to make that hole a bit bigger, Julian.
Oh yeah.
Will that rivet go in there now? Perfect. Right, let's put it on the wall.
Oh yeah.
Oops. What's in? Cool. Very cheap, very effective, and just keeps the surfaces clear. Right, I'm sure we can make some better ones than that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Judy's just going to show you what's in the wheelbarrow. It's so cold in England at the moment. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.